equilibrium and ionic equilibrium from this some problems. The question is active mass of 5.6 liters of nitrogen at STP conditions. So active mass formula, the solution active mass equal to N by V. N is the number of moles per volume. Mean number of moles per liter generally you can take moles per liter, that is moles per liter. You know that 5.6 liters of nitrogen at STP mean how many moles? Calculate moles. So number of moles equal to volume at STP. Volume at STP by 22.4 liters. 4 liters. This is also in liters. So number of moles equal to volume at STP. Given value. This is the given value by 22.4 liters. The given value is 5.6 liters and this is 22.4. So 1 by 4 liters. 1 by 4. Number of moles is 1 by 4 and equal to 1 by 4. So if you submit those values in active mass, so active mass equal to number of moles, so they have given 1 by 4 by volume they have given 5.6 liters. 5.6 liters. So if you simplify this, 1 by 4 into 5.6 equal to 1 by 22.24. 1 by 22.24. That is the active mass of nitrogen. Reaction. I have given for this reaction nitrogen and 3 moles of H2 to give rise to 2 moles of ammonia gas. For ammonia, this is total gaseous reaction, gaseous mixture. So the Kp by Kc value we have to calculate at 400 Kelvin. At 400 Kelvin, what is Kp by Kc? You know that the relation Kp equal to Kc into RT power delta n. RT power delta n. You know that delta n equal to number of gaseous products minus number of moles of gaseous reactants. Number of products moles by minus number of reactants of gaseous substances. So there are 2 gaseous moles products minus here 1 plus 3. These are 3 moles. Sorry, 4 moles minus 2. So delta n is minus 2. The temperature they have given. So Kp by Kc. Take Kc this side. So Kp by Kc equal to R into T value they have given 400 K into minus 2. Power minus 2. This is the answer. So Kp by Kc equal to R into 400 Kelvin minus 2. So K dot right 400 Kelvin. Next question. And ask the question. So for this given reaction, nitrogen plus oxygen gives rise to nitric oxide. Kc value, equilibrium constant. Kc value they have 1.6 into 10 power minus 3. Then for this reaction, what is Kp? For this reaction, what is Kp? The hint is this. So for this reaction, Kp we have to find out. So before finding Kp for this, we have to do Kc for this. For this also Kc we find out. So this is already Kc and I am identifying this is Kc prime. So Kc prime equal to first you calculate. If you find out Kc prime for this, then you can find out Kp. So first this is the equation 1, this is the equation 2. So for equation 1 Kc equal to according to law of mass action, concentration of products and their moles are going to form powers, and concentration of N2 by concentration of 4. So this value they have given 1.6 into 10 power minus 3 they have given. And for equation 2, and Kc prime equal to N2 power half and O2 power half by concentration of NO. So what is the relationship between Kc and Kc prime? So if you invert Kc, writing Kc equal to concentration of N2, concentration of O2 by concentration of NO square. Now this value becomes 1.6 into 10 power minus 3. Now apply root. So Kc equal to, you apply root of concentration of N2, concentration of O2 by concentration of NO square equal to 1 by under root of 1.6 into 10 power minus 3. If you take 1 by under root Kc equal to, if you cancel the root, you will get power half and power half by square root cancel, you will get NO. So this is already look like equation 1. This is assumed as this is equation 3. So therefore equation 3 and equation 4 and equation 4, from equation 3 and 4, so Kc prime equal to under root 1 by Kc prime equal to under root 1 by Kc. So if you simplify this, Kc prime equal to 1 by under root 1.6 into 10 power minus 3. If you simplify this, you will get 1 by you will get this is 16 into 10 power minus 4. 16 into 10 power 4 and square root if you apply, you will get 4 into 10 power minus 2 will get 4 into 10 power minus 2. So from this, if 10 power minus 2 go outside, this is 100. 100 by 4 equal to 25. 100 by 4 equal to 25. So Kc prime equal to 25. But their answer is Kp. They are asking the question Kp equal to Kc prime into RT power delta n. So if you see the delta n for this reaction is 0. Delta n for this reaction is 0. So Kp equal to Kc prime RT power 0. So something power 0, 1. Therefore Kp equal to Kc prime. The Kc prime you get that is 20 farads. So for this reaction, for this sulfur dioxide decomposition reaction, the gaseous reaction, at equilibrium the molar concentration of sulfur dioxide is 0.25 molar, and sulfur dioxide concentration is 0.5 molar, and for oxygen is 0.25 molar. Then what is the Kc for this reaction? What is the Kc? You know that Kc is always concentration of products and their powers by concentration of reactants and their powers at equilibrium. This is always at equilibrium. Concentration means always we should take moles per liter. Already m means moles per liter only. So just you submit those values. So at equilibrium they have given the concentrations sulfur dioxide square in 0.5 square, and next to 0.25, sorry, oxygen there is no square, only 1 mole only, so you can write 1 mole. So 0.25 by sulfur trioxide power. So sulfur trioxide is 0.25 its concentration and square. So if you simplify this, you get to 0.251, 0.251 it is going. And also next to if you simplify this, you will get answer 1. So then units, if you want to units, already square. Units mean concentration units, moles per liter square, moles per liter square. So moles per liter square cancel. Next moles per liter. So answer also moles per liters. Just moles per liter, you submit, you will get.